Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to connect your Ring Doorbell to two phones, whether it's for you and your partner, or maybe a roommate. Having the Ring app on multiple devices ensures everyone can stay connected to your home security. Step 1. Download the Ring app. First things first, make sure you have the Ring app installed on both phones. You can download it from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Once installed, open the app and follow along. Step 2. Log in or create Ring account. Next, either log in to your existing Ring account or create a new one if you haven't already. This account will be used to link your Ring devices and manage their settings. Step 3. Add Ring Doorbell to first phone. Now, let's add your Ring Doorbell to the first phone. Tap on the Set up a device button and select doorbells from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan the QR code on your Ring device and complete the setup process. Step 4. Share access with second phone. Once your doorbell is set up on the first phone, it's time to share access with the second phone. Open the Ring app on the first phone, go to Settings, then Users. Select Add User and enter the email address or mobile number associated with the second phone. Step 5. Accept invitation on second phone. On the second phone, open the email or SMS invitation sent from Ring. Tap on the link provided to accept the invitation and follow the prompts to download the Ring app, if not already installed, and log in to your Ring account. Step 6. Access and control from both phones. And there you have it. Now, both phones are connected to your Ring Doorbell. You can receive alerts, view the live feed, and adjust settings from either device, ensuring everyone in your household is connected to your home security. Conclusion. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you connect your Ring Doorbell to two phones. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.